ಚಪ್ಪಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೊಡೆದಿಲ್ಲ ಜನ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾವನ ಮಗ ಅಲ್ವಾ ರಾಜ್ಕುಮಾರ್. ಆ ಟೈಮಿಂಗ್ ಮಾವ ಸತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಇವ್ನು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಚಪ್ಪಲಿ ಹೊಡೆದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಟೈಮಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ the point is this. This is the broad layout is this, which is there in front of you. There are 5 forces acting simultaneously, not independently, simultaneously on any business organization to deal with these 5 forces and to gain that competitive edge in the market. You can employ 12 strategies. Now the question is, how will IT in general and information systems in particular help you in implementing these 12 strategies? That is the actual question. Shall we take one by one? How can you implement cost reduction using IT? Assuming that you have understood what cost leadership means, how can IT help you gain cost leadership? And so on and so forth. I want you to think on how IT can help you in becoming a cost leader. How can you differentiate using? How can you innovate using? How can you have customer focus using? Like that. All 12 questions. How using IT? I want you to meditate on this. And in the next meeting we will discuss on this by taking your inputs. Right? Next Wednesday, 9 o'clock, we'll discuss this. Let me tell you in a nutshell, there are basically only 2 ways in which IT can help. One, direct help. That is, IT will help increase the sales by making highly efficient products because of the use of robotics, artificial intelligence, enhanced machinery, control using computers, whatever type of technology you want to talk about. All that. Direct impact. Direct impact is IT will help increase the quality. How? Because I can use the quality checking using computers, automated checking. I can find the defects using computer using automated scanning. All iPhone technologies you can say. That is direct impact of technology. Directly it can help one. That is not so important. Important is the indirect impact you have. How? Let me give you a very simple example. Consider a company like Reliance Industries. Reliance Industries. What is the approximate number of shareholders of this company? Say some 100,000, reasonably good number, some 100,000. The legal requirement is that during the time of annual general meet, a bulky book called the annual report should be given to every shareholder. Imagine the cost of printing this annual general report and distributing to hundreds of thousands of shareholders. Now, imagine the same scenario if you make a digital copy of it and put the same thing on internet. What is the amount of cost saving I am talking about? So the indirect benefit of using IT in business is a branch of operational effectiveness by cost cutting. So how can IT benefit business? There are only 2 ways. One, directly there is some impact, quality increase and all that, blah blah blah. The second way is cost cutting. How can you make profit? Increase the sales or cut the cost. Simple. Yeah. Yeah, market, that's what I said. All the things you can cover only under 3. That's why they are basically repeat that. These are all recent editions. Right?